الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على سيد المرسلين. Dear brothers and sisters, dear sons and daughters, everybody, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Happy to be back again with video number 4. But before, I would like you to listen and repeat the first verses recited by Sheikh Al-Husari rahimahullah. Listen and repeat.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين مالك يوم الدين.
Now today's verse is إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. Listen to it and repeat.
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين.
In English it is you alone we worship and you alone we ask for help for each and everything. Now let's see the verse letter after letter. E, E, this is Alif. Compare with this. Compare with this. This is, remember, this is Alif with Hamzat Wasl. It means an Alif which may be neglected or should be neglected in some cases, except in the beginning. But when you have an Alif with a Hamza, like this, Hamza, you should pronounce it. You should pronounce it. You should never neglect it. So with Hamza, and under the Hamza we have Kasra. Remember, Ba with Fatha, Bu with Dhamma, Bi with Kasra, and Ab with Sukun. Now E with Kasra. E, Ya, Ya. So you see Ya with two dots underneath and with an intensification and is accentuated. Iyaka, not Iyaka, not Iyaka. Iyaka, you accentuate, you intensify with Fatha. Iyaka, and it is a long Fatha. Iya, 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 Iyaka. Iyaka. This is Kaf. Kaf. When it is in the end of a sentence. Okay, in the beginning it has another form. In the middle it has another form. But in the end it is always like this. Iyaka. Ika with the fatha. Huh? Iyaka. Iyaka. Na'budu. 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 In na'budu we have na with fatha, then a with sukun, it is na. Then we have ba with dhamma, na'bu, bu. Then we have da with dhamma also, do, na'budu, na'budu. إياك نعبد و إياك وإياك و is again and huh? إياك نعبد و also و with فتحة إياك وإياك وإياك و with فتحة again E with Hamza and under Hamza we have kasra so it is E ya with two dots and with an accent and with fatha so it is ya and it is lengthened so it is long ya long a ya ka so وإياك نستعين na with one dot with one point and fatha over it is na then we have sa so with two teeth so then with sukun nas ta two dots remember yeah two dots under and ta two dots over with fatha ta then we have a with kasra it is I and with e lengthened so it is I remember the ya when ya has no vowel over or below it is a long vowel to the letter which is before long vowel to I so I نستعين no so na with dhamma نستعين now listen to the verse read by Sheikh Al-Husari rahimahullah listen and repeat
إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين
now verse number 6 listen then repeat
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم
okay we have the first word is ihdina remember that this alif when the previous word and this word are related so the a is not pronounced but when we start with this alif even if it is with hamzat wasl we pronounce it like iyaka ihdina I you know why we have E here? This is normally it is sukun. And with a not sukun, there is a rule in Arabic when two sukuns are right together. So the previous one is turned into kasra, into E. When two sukuns are right together, so the previous one, the first one, is turned into E. So E. Ha with sukun. Da with kasra. Di. Ihdi. Na with fatha. Na. But with alif. So it is lengthened. Ihdina. Sirata. See? The alif here is neglected. And remember that we go straight from na to sa. Ihdinas, we neglect the alif and lam. So these two are neglected. So we go straight from na to si. اهدنا الصي. Si. And you see that si is sa with kasra, si, sa with kasra, si, and with it is accentuated. اهدنا الصي. Si. Si. Then we have ra with fatha, and with a small alif here, it is lengthened, like ya, ihdina, and also this is lengthened. Is as-sira, ihdina as-sira, ta with fatha, it is ta. صراط اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. It is not pronounced, but lam here is pronounced. صراط المستقيم. See صراط we go from ta to la, and we avoid pronouncing the alif. Siratal. Then we have mu, ma with dhamma, mu. Then we have sa with sukun, s, mus. Then we have ta, two dots over with fatha, ta. Then we have qa with kasra, it is qi. But when we have ya, it is qi. So ya is a long e to the letter which is before. Staqi, ma with fatha. So اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. Now please listen and repeat again. Listen and repeat.
اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم.